Right, I'm off to Combe Gill Mill to see if we can still gain access to get images of the watermill. Why not come with me? Well, good morning, and we're out about in the Lake District again. I'm out really to go to some woodland, but we're not far from Combe Gill Mill, and I'd heard reports that it was no longer accessible to get images. So seeing as I'm not far away, I thought what we'd do is we'd come and check out for ourselves. So that's what the plan is, to come and see what's what. So yeah, we're just down by the river here. It's not Combe Gill, this is a different river as far as I'm aware. So yeah, we're just going to go to the main road. We're at the two lots of houses, or two terraces of houses that are called Mountain View, which is not surprised if you look over there where they're looking. We've got some quite nice mountains. So yeah, we'll make our way up to the mill. Most of it is on a footpath, but then latterly it's not, so I'm not quite sure. You used to be able to reasonably get access, but I'd heard accounts that that was no longer the case. So yeah, we'll see what we can find. Anyway, we'll stop talking there and we'll see you a little bit later. Right, we've made it to the mill and we've got down to the beck, or the gill should I say. This is Combe Gill, and the other day we're on Combe Beck at Buttermere, which was the last video that went up. So yeah, it shows you can get access. The only thing I would say, just say private property, please respect. So to me that means certainly if there's somebody in the cottage, I wouldn't be coming round here, because I think that would be classed as disrespecting them. And obviously I'm trying to come this side of the river, go further up, and then, or the gill, and then cross over. Just up there's a place where you can cross over and you're not actually scrambling round the mill itself. It's a very difficult one, this. But you can see I've got the camera out there, and I've just going to take the one composition. The light is not brilliant, it's glistening off the water a bit, even with a polarizing filter on. So yeah, I've taken, I think it was an eighth of a second, a half a second and a second, and we'll see which at best, and then we'll put that up and then we're going to head off. I was planning on this only really being a short video to see if it was possible to still get access. Obviously there's been somebody else here at some point because there's an umbrella there. I'm assuming it's a Duff umbrella, so I'm just going to leave it. And yeah, this is a wonderful mill. You can see obviously it's been repointed, it's been done up, etc. And my understanding is it's a private property, but there's a covenant over it, so it's not allowed to be used as a commercial let, because obviously you've got to come across the farmer's field, etc. to get here. So yeah, as I say, it'll be just a very, very short video just to let you know about this. So yeah, what we'll do is, as I've said, we'll put up a couple of the images, maybe the slowest and the quickest shutter speed, and then we'll see you a little bit later. Right, we're now back on our way to go back and carry on with the other video that I broke off from, going towards Johnny Wood. But yeah, no, it's good to know that everything's pretty much the same as when I was last there. I think maybe last time I was there it was more or less derelict and it's been done up, so at times there may be people in there, and my opinion is it's just say private property, please respect. And to me that means if there's somebody there, you don't go tromping around. And if you do go and there's nobody there, you need to give the building a sort of wide berth, not trying to clamber over parts of the building. So, but yeah, no, it's good to know. Obviously this has been a very short video. If you've enjoyed it, please click the thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe? And please comment. Any comments, and all comments are much appreciated. So yeah, but I suppose the question about what next is fairly obvious. Today's Tuesday, and hopefully we can get this sorted to go out tomorrow night, and then we're going to carry on, and we're doing a video about temperate rainforest in the summer. So we'll be carrying on and do that. Not quite sure what we're going to get out, what we're going to find there, but that's where we're heading back now. So yeah, I don't think there's much else to say, but just to reiterate, if you do come to this, please do give it respect. That's what the signs say, that's what I've tried to do. If there's anybody there, give it a wide berth and maybe aim to come back on another day. But anyway, I'll stop rambling on and we'll finish it there. I will say we'll see you on the next video.